Halo sahabat traveling semuanya, lihatlah apa yang ada di belakang saya. Ini merupakan sebuah tempat wisata yang sangat terkenal di Pekanbaru. Bagaimana keasikan di dalamnya? Ikuti terus JM Traveling setelah yang satu ini.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off, wake up every morning.
Sahabat traveling semuanya, ini hari pertama kita di Pekanbaru. Nah, rencana kita mau cari tempat wisata, kemudian juga nantinya kita ada rencana mau cari mall di sini. Nah, buat teman-teman semuanya, ikuti kami terus dan kami akan tunjukin, kita akan kunjungi beberapa tempat wisata yang ada di Kota Pekanbaru. Tetap bersama JM Traveling.
Hei, tengok sini pesawat.
Ada badut.
Tuh depan.
Itu deh.
Kasih duit sama dia.
SpongeBob.
Sebelah sana abang berdiri kasih duit untuk dia.
Tak mau.
Oh, Zafi aja kasih sama Zafi, Bi.
Kasih dia badut.
Buka jendela, ambil. Buka jendela, kasih duit untuk badut.
Panggil.
Ini badut. Ini badut. Ini badut.
Dadah. Isuai. Adik. Dadah badut.
Ada badut.
Dadah. Patrick ya? Patrick kan? Dadah Patrick.
Ada badut. Ada badut.
Make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special.
Nah, sahabat traveling semuanya, kita berada di pintu masuk. Nah, ini pintu masuk. Jadi kita diwajibkan memakai masker dan juga kita harus membayar tiket 50.000 per satu orang dengan ditandai dengan sudah menggunakan gelang kertas. Ini artinya kita sudah memasuki sudah membayar tiket. Nah, kita akan lihat bagaimana kondisi wisata di dalamnya.
If I get rid of the devils, they think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle, there's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that.
Nah, sahabat semuanya, untuk pertama sekali kita akan coba dulu di Trik Ace lantai 2 ini. Kita akan melihat wahana apa saja yang ditampilkan di lantai 2.
I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't.
Nah, sahabat traveling semuanya, di dalam ruangan ini adalah ada dipamerkan background foto 3 dimensi, sama halnya seperti wisata yang di Sumatera Utara yang pernah kita kunjungi, yaitu di Rumah Terbalik. Dan di ada wisata yang pernah saya di channel saya dilihat kembali, dihadirkan background 3 dimensi, jadi kita berfoto nih. Sahabat traveling semuanya, secara keseluruhan wisata ini bertemakan Cina ya, bertemakan budaya Cina, baik dari segi bangunannya, kemudian tampilan aksesoris lainnya, berikut juga dengan wahana-wahana permainan yang ada di dalamnya. Nah, sahabat semuanya, menariknya di sini juga kita bertemu dengan Kung Fu Panda ya, dengan panda. Ada sekurang-kurangnya sedikitnya ada 10 patung panda di sini yang menghiasi taman.